Yes, my people, you are listening to the Prizers TV, and we are located in Enugu State. What you are seeing is Enugu City, and there is a reason we are here today. We are here because there is a rumor or a trend that Enugu State has best road network in Southeast and one of the best in Nigeria. Maybe the best, maybe the second, maybe the third or the fourth. Nobody knows. And because of that, I have taken it upon myself to show Enugu State roads. I went through online and I selected 10 good roads, which I will show you. And I selected 11 good roads. And I myself, I disqualified one. But the one I disqualified is not that the road is bad. But there is a reason for that. The reason is that other road beats it. And from number 5 to number 10, because the 10th road is the best, while the first road is will I say the worst or the lowest to say, because here we give points. Where we are located now is in Enugu Center. The road you are looking at here as a Nigerian road is one of the best. But when you go to Enugu State, this road is not good at all. And you are going to see the reason. The reason is that if you look at here, there is no pedestrian road, right? There is no acera, no pedestrian where people pass and people walk on the asphalt, the major road. Now, believe me, this is the only road in Enugu State that I found this. And this is the reason I decided not to count here. Look at how everywhere is choked. Okay, there is a pedestrian road here, but it is too busy. I think this place needs to be expanded. Therefore, I am not going to give this place a single point because government will either expand this road, create more lanes, or do something about it. So here is not among of the places we come to give mark today. But here is okay. It has nice bus stop. It has pedestrian. But based on what we come for today, we disqualify here. So let's go to our road number 1 that gets 1 point today. Now, this road is Garden Avenue. You see what I mean? The road got 1 point because this road is wide enough. There is no potholes anywhere here, right? And it has pedestrian road. And if you check, you will see here is bus stop. That is the reason buses are here, right? And if I continue, we are still within the bus stop environment. Now, when we look far away there, you still see peatons, which is pedestrians, walking on the pedestrian road as it is supposed to be. Look at here too. You can see somewhere here people walking on the pedestrian road. And if you check here again, you see students walking on the pedestrian road. And this is Garden Avenue. And the road continues like that, like that, like that. This is a nice road. And after viewing this first one, I became convinced that Enugu State has a good road. Let's go to our road number 2. Our road that got to a mark today is what we are looking at. Now, this place is a market, but also a road. If you check here, you see pedestrian. Here is a busy Ogui road. What you are seeing are stores where people sell electronics, gadgets of different kinds. But if you check, you find that it has a pedestrian road, bus stop here, not one of the best. I told you that from number 5, we'll be looking like Europe, and you will believe me. The 10th road is even much better than some road in Europe, and we are going to see it. So let's go to our road number 3. Our road number 3 is what we are looking at, and this is Presidential Road. This is Presidential Road. This is like roundabout, and if you check here, you see the peatonals, which is the pedestrian road. You go, the main road is still there, and see how this place is arranged for people who are walking. This is when government is thinking about the masses. They create provisions for the masses. In developed countries, this is very, very, very respected. In some developed countries, apart from this pedestrian road, they still have a track for bicycle. Because what about people who ride bicycle? But today it is not included in our topic, because I don't believe that Nigeria has reached to the extent of creating a track for the bicycle. Therefore, let's judge Enugu State based on Nigeria and Africa. This place is good and nice, and it is our road number 3. Let's go to our road number 4. Now, this road number 4 is now looking different from what we have seen. It is now neater, and the pedestrian road is wider, and look at the drainage over there. Okay? Now, even the areas, the garden being maintained, street light, everything is complete here. And this is Garden Avenue. By watching to this 4th road, you would imagine how the 10th road would be. Right? This is the 4th one, and it is not looking bad at all. And when the government gives good infrastructure, automatically people began to obey it. Do you see anybody walking on the road here, on the main road here? No, they are walking on the pedestrian track. Where are they supposed to? You don't need to tell them, because they have enough space. Look, 1-2 people are walking parallel, and other 2 people can also pass here freely. I don't know that you see what I'm saying. Cool. Now let's go to our road number 5. Now, I told you that from number 5 will now be looking like Europe. Look at what road number 5 looks like. This is Okpara Square. Do you see the garden being maintained? Do you see the patterns, which is the pedestrian road? Everywhere is clean, very wide. And what you are looking at there is Unity Park. Do you see how this place look? Tall trees arranged in architectural form. This place has a gigantic lion structure, molded. Now it is used for leisure. And here is where people come for training and run around. And believe me, in anywhere, this road will be given a very high mark in any country, even in America. If you go to America, you see a road like this, it is a good road. In Nigeria, it is one of the best. Hardly before you see roads like this that people don't live everywhere and very spacious, garden maintained, and everything is unbelievable. This is one of the best roads I have seen in Nigeria. Everything is complete here. electric light and even decorated light and everything. And the park here is beautiful. Now, let's go to our road number 6. Our road number 6 is what we are looking at. And this place is actually beautiful. Now, this place is known as ENUGU'S Avenue. Now, if I go a little bit, you see that this road is just like America or other civilized country. See the neighborhood even. See the type of gates they have here. You see, this man also tiled his pathway to join the pedestrian road, and from then everything here is beautiful. Both the palm trees that we see here, well, not the palm trees, but the gardens and some trees, and this is like a residential area in every good developed country. This is how they look. If you see Miami pictures, this is how Miami pictures look. Palm tree wide, not that they have skyscrapers, no, houses like this, but everywhere looks as beautiful as this place. Believe me, I like this ENUGU'S Avenue. So in order not to waste time, let's go to our road number 7. Now, this is our road number 7, and this place is very, very beautiful. This is Independence Avenue. Okay, now look at what I'm saying. Do you see? Everywhere is arranged, calculated in a nice form. Now, there is a reason why this place got one of our highest points. The reason is, look at the plant planted in the center of the road. Okay, and see the environment. See how this place looks. It's unbelievable. This place is by Asata, and if you check, there is Durban store very close to this place, and what you are looking at here is a hotel. I think it's called Crown Hotel, and I continue. Let me check the name of the hotel. I think it's called Crown Hotel, that is the name. And I continue, if you continue, the road continue looking nice with a nice garden maintained, and the pedestrian road also respected by the people who park their vehicles. Now, look at what I mean. You see this vehicle, people park it, and they did not disobey the law. In some African countries or some bad areas, people would park cars and even park somewhere like this, and it is not looking bad at all. Let's go to this side and see how, you see, the pedestrian road here is as beautiful as the other side. You see, this is beautiful. Believe me, Enugu State has one of the best road network. I have confirmed it, and I'm still on number 7. Then let's go to number 8. But I am getting in love with Enugu State because the way it looks is unbelievable. I never expected that Enugu State would look like this. I'm not talking about skyscrapers, no, but I'm talking about arrangement. How the government managed to maintain the structures of Enugu this way. By the way, what we are seeing is the Chime Avenue anyway. Now, let's go. Here is our road number 8. Our route number 8 is called Owerri Azuka. Owerri Azukala. Owerri Azukala Street. Owerri Azukala Street. Now, tell me what this road lack. This road does not lack anything. You see? And this is the reason many people are trooping in Enugu State, buying land and building houses and so on and so forth in Enugu. It's because of road networks. You see? Because of good road network. Hardly before you see other states in Nigeria with such nice good road network, clean, quiet, and the reason I respect Enugu State is not only that the governors come and tie the road. No, they come up with a good design, plant trees in the middle, okay, dualize the street or the road, then create spaces for the peatones, which is the pedestrians, and also create a garden for nice view and good nature. This gives a space for you to walk here and feel free. And not that the garden is a bush, no. Even if you are walking along this place by 2 o'clock in the midnight, you will not be afraid, because here will be quiet, but you are seeing everything within this area. This is how roads supposed to be constructed. It's not just come and put asphalt on road and clean your shovels and caterpillars and go. No. This is how it is. Now, let's go to number 9 and we go to number 10. Now, this is the number 9. You see, this number 9 is also as beautiful as number 8 and number 7 and so on and so forth. But it's not as beautiful as number 10. Right? Now, but if you check this number 9, look at what I found out in number 9. Now, this is the bus stop. You see, this area, see how the environment is. The pedestrian road is well structured. Bus stop here, and this sign, the environment, and it's unbelievable. Now, and if I keep on going, I only selected 10 good roads, right? There are thousands in Enugu State. I couldn't even know which one to select, but I had to choose among the ones that I made, right? And that shows that the place is actually beautiful. Now, on getting to this number 9, you see the roundabout, how it is. This roundabout has been changed. Now, you see this TV showing here, right? This is the TV showing advertisement 247. Here is bus stop and so on and so forth. Now, and everything is arranged in a good form. You see the pedestrian road, it continues. Now let's go to our road, our best road in Enugu State, number 10. Boom. Now, this is our best road in Enugu State, number 10. There is a reason for that. Now, that reason is the neatness. Look at it. This is very clean, and this place is Unique Road, University of Nigeria Enugu campus. Right? See, the only thing I will say that you may challenge on this place, which I will still doubt you, is the drainage. That the drainage is not covered. But there is a reason for that. Because I thought about it before giving this road 10 points. I say, what about this drainage that is not covered? I found out that sometimes covering drainages in Nigeria is not the best solution. Not everywhere should be covered. Where there is nobody staying, you don't need to cover it. The reason is there is heat, and that causes smelling when everywhere is covered. Like here is covered here because of this house and the people who are using the campus, right? But far away, like over there, which nobody is using, right? You can leave it open, like as it is. That will make whatever inside not to smell. And you know that people come here and clean the drainages. Based on the way Africa is today, some drainages does not need to be covered. Right? Now, based on what we come here to do, I can tell you that Enugu State has the best road networks ever. Before selecting this road, I came across several roads. None of them has potholes. Therefore, the praising which Enugu State road is getting online is actually true. And I am going to show you more about this road, not this particular one, but other ones, because there are other beautiful roads that you wish to see, because I could only show you 10 roads. But what about if I show you 20, 30, 40, 50, uncountable? You will be amazed. And for me to do that, there are new estates going on in Enugu State. In those estates, if you watch their road, you will be marveled. Their roads are beautiful. They are estates. Therefore, I will show you the most beautiful estate based on the road construction in Enugu State in my next video or as soon as possible. So thank you very much for watching. This is Prizers TV, and we brought our prize today, and Enugu State collected it. Though they did not snatch it, they collected it with merit. So thank you very much for watching. This is Prizers TV. See you next time.